Hi everyone! Magandang gabi, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. This is your girl, Laluna Taro. Okay, so, kamusta kayo guys? Again, maraming salamat po sa nagsusubscribe and then nanonood po ng ating pick a card reading. Maraming salamat po, and as of now, we have over 900 plus subscribers. So, please subscribe sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe para lumaki pa ang ating community, okay? So, maraming salamat po. And nakakatuwa po dahil nababasa ko po yung mga nagko-comment sa ating comment box kung nag-resonate yung reading. I really appreciate po. Okay, and then sa mga nagtatanong po for personal reading, again, maglalabas na lang po ako ng announcement kung kailan po tayo magkakaroon ng personal reading. Okay? So, magandang gabi sa inyo again. So, ang topic natin for tonight, ngayong umaga, love confessions. Okay? This is a pick a card din. Pero this is a love confessions. Okay? Po pwedeng galing sa inyong current partner. Okay? Galing sa bagong nanliligaw sa inyo or new love. It could be from your past person also. So, titingnan natin. Basta, your love interest. Okay? So, lots of messages, okay? So, karamihan ng ginamit ko ditong card is a love oracle card with messages, okay? So, titingnan natin kung sino tong person na to, kung this is a new person ba, this is a past person ba, or your husband or a current lover, okay? So, titingnan natin. So, gagamit din tayo for today ng aking ginawang card. So, this is a love messages and love confessions, okay? Nung mga gustong sabihin nung person mo, okay? So, again, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Okay, so pili kayo kung anong pile yung sa tingin ninyo magre-resonate kayo, okay? Dating gawe. Pile number 1, pile number 2. Love confessions. Who is this person? Okay? And ano yung i-confess nitong person na to? Kay pile number 1 and kay pile number 2. So, okay, pili na kayo. Meditate. Focus. And piliin nyo yung card na tumatawag ng pansin niyo. Okay? Pili na kayo. Pile number 1, pile number 2. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng card, so, let's start na agad, okay? So, start na tayo na love messages and love confessions kay pile number 1. Pile number 1. Love confessions for pile number 1. It could be your present, new lover, suitor, past person, ex-lover, husband. Okay? Or vice versa, wife, girlfriend. Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, we have tarot card. Some tarot card lang dito. Okay? Then, clue kung sino tong person na to. And yung karamihan is yung love messages. So, tingnan natin. Knight of Cups. So, it could be a water sign. Pile number 1. This is a young water sign. You could be the young person, ha? Pile number 1. A young water sign. A romantic, a charming person, okay? If this is a feminine, this is a beautiful person, okay? A sweet person. Karamihan sa inyo, pal number 1 nakita ko, this is a nanliligaw, ha? Yung iba sa inyo. A suitor, okay. A new person, okay. A young person, okay. Young at age. Yung iba sa inyo, this is ongoing. Meron akong nakitang ongoing to ngayon. Or this is nagbabalak pa lang. Okay, to confess, manligaw, yan. So, meron akong nakitang ganon, okay? This is a romantic person na, paano ba to? This is a young love, okay? So, paano ko ba sabihin? In short, ano ba to? Nasa kasagsagan pa to ng, young eh. This is a young person. It could be, binata, okay, or dalaga pa. You could be, dalaga or binata pa, pile number 1. This person is a very in love person. Susundin niya yung sinasabi ng puso niya or tinitibok ng puso niya. So, meron ako nakikita na this person is, paano ko ba sabihin to? Ano pa? Mapusok. Yan. Okay. This person is a kind of a person which is a mapusok. Okay. Mapusok kind of love. So yun siya. Pile number 1. Eight of Swords. Air sign. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, so meron ako nakikita dito. Okay. So meron ako nakikita dito, yung iba sa inyo, yung some of you, pile number 1, is a young female, okay, na hindi pa po pwedeng ligawan. Meron akong nakitang ganun na. Or it could be you are an earth sign and you are overthinking, pile number 1. Okay. Siguro yung iba sa inyo iniisip na hindi ako gusto nito, or siguro hindi naman ako siguro ipo-person itong person na to. Okay, some of the feminine na ganun mag-isip. You have the victim mentality or a negative thoughts, okay? Meron ako nakita dito na pagkakasundo, okay. Siguro some of you, pile number 1 is in relationship, okay, and you are being helpless on that relationship, but this person still going to pursue you even you are in a relationship. Okay, so meron akong nakitang ganon. Or meron akong nakikita na sa ayaw mo sa gusto, kung sino man yung feminine dito, sa ayaw mo sa gusto, this person is still pursue you. Okay? It will negotiate, okay? Ini-negotiate niya yung emotions niya sa'yo. Okay? So, I don't know kung anong meron dito sa ating feminine, pile number 1. Pero, meron ditong iba na nakakaramdam na trap or walang magagawa. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, meron akong narinig na iniisip nyo na you're not attractive enough. Okay. And iniisip ninyo, okay. Meron akong nakuha dito, yung some of you, pile number 1, iniisip na lolokohin ka lang nitong person na to. Okay, so meron akong nakitang ganun, You are being negative. Iniisip ninyo na hindi seryoso tong person na to. Okay, so may nakita kong ganon. Iniisip ninyo na pwedeng baka lokohin ka lang nito kasi this is a young person, okay? A young masculine. Okay. Page of Wands. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Marami ditong bata. Marami ako nakikita dito na some of you, pal number 1 is young. Okay. And meron ako nakuha energy dito na some of you naman is yun nga, a fire sign, and you are a limitless person, okay, and a very extrovert person. So, we have an introvert and an extrovert here on pile number 1, okay? Meron ako nakikita na some of you are an extrovert person, but in reality, closed doors, you are trapped on some kind of an emotions or a mentality, pile number 1, who is a feminine, okay? Meron ako nakikita dito. Okay, meron din ako nakita dito na if you are being a negative person or trapped ka some kind of a mentality na kung meron man naniligaw sa inyo or merong eyeing on you, pile number 1, and you are thinking na sasaktan ka lang nito or lolokohin ka lang nito, ang sabi doon is alisin mo yon, okay? So be excited, okay? Be fearless, okay? Or maybe there are some of you, pile number 1, na yun nga, nag-iisip siguro na this person or this masculine will not yung tototohanin ka, hindi ka tototohanin, hindi ka seseryosohin, pero this masculine will prove na he is serious sa'yo, okay? So, magsisend nga to ng messages, mag-show some love, okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Journal. Writing, diary, keeping notes. Okay. Maybe you are the person who is journaling and writing on a diary, or this person, this romantic masculine person or a feminine person is writing on his or her diary about his or her love sa'yo, okay? Or uso pa ba ngayon ng pen pal or I don't know, pero meron ako nakikita dito, some of you, if this person sending you a message, parang nakakausap mo na. Meron akong nakitang ganun pa number 1 na nakakapalitan mo to ng messages itong person na to and maybe if you have a conversation on this person, tinatago niya, in-screenshot niya yung conversation ninyong dalawa and itinatago niya yun, okay? Or maybe yung person na nagtatago ng conversation ninyo ng person na to, pile number 1. And maybe this person will send you also a message, a letter, a chat, okay? Basta some message that's showing about her or his feelings sa'yo. Okay, so it could be your soulmate, pile number 1, or it could be your romantic partner right now, or a friend who is confessing his love sa'yo, okay? Kung meron kang kaibigan, pile number 1, na sa tingin mo parang may gusto sa'yo, this person will confess his feelings or her feelings sa'yo. Okay? Maybe this is your soulmate. Okay? O pwedeng gusto mo rin tong person na to. Okay? Pero, you have some negative mindset lang. Okay, kung sino man dito yung naglilimit ng sarili niya or takot na mag-risk. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Palm trees, stability, security, permanence, growth, endurance, flexibility. Okay. So, some of you, meron akong nakita dito na maybe ayaw ninyong mag-risk dito sa person na to or iniisip ninyo na siguro if you are a young person, pile number 1, ayaw mo pang mag-risk kasi you are too young, okay? When I say too young, marami ka pang goal na gustong gawin. Okay? Kaya parang you are looking for some stability pa, okay, sa buhay mo. Or it could be, kasi meron akong nakita dito, ikaw pile 1 eh. Some of you pile 1 is the one who is, kumbaga parang confused pa or parang urong-sulong kasi nga, maybe this person is a young person, a knight kasi, a young person, okay? And siguro mas older ka dito or vice versa. Okay, take what's resonate. Okay. And siguro nakikita mo tong person na to na this is too young for me. Hindi pa siguro to stable or hindi pa masyadong secured. Okay? Kasi this is a knight. A knight of cups. Okay? Meron akong iba sa inyo nakikita na parang nagdadalawang isip kayo kasi mamaya baka magbago pa ang isip nito kasi nga this person is young person. Kumbaga iniisip niyo siguro hindi pa matured to. Baka magbago ang isip nito sa akin. Okay? Pero meron akong nakikita dito na this person is your soulmate. Okay? This is your soulmate, soul tribe. Okay? Okay, tingnan pa natin. Date. Oh, diba? I told you. Meeting someone new, dating, get back out there, plan, set a date. Okay, so some of you, pal number 1, this person is a new person. Okay, so this is not a past person. Okay, so siguro bago mo tong nakakausap or this person will ask you for a date. Okay, so maybe this holiday season, yayain ka nito na lumabas. Okay. Malakas sa akin dito na this person will ask you a date. Nakakatuwa, no? Kasi, resonated siya. So, this person will ask you to a date to know you, okay? Para mas makilala nyo pang isa't isa, okay? So, pan number 2, be flexible, okay? If you are the feminine watching right now na has a self-imposed prison thoughts, okay? So, please, be flexible, okay? Or it could be you are the one. Pero hindi, kasi same page pa lang eh. You are a page of wands and this is a knight of cups. Okay, page and a knight is parang somehow same energy, okay? So, this is, the feminine is a young person and the knight is a young person. So, meron ako nakikita dito na hindi naman siguro nagkakalayo ng sobra yung age ninyo. Okay, pile number 1. And maybe you are right now looking and in a process of having stability in life, okay? So, siguro kaya ayaw mo munang pansinin ito kasi nga, ano ka pa focus ka pa sa career, okay? Pero kasi, wala namang masama na makipag-date and know someone, okay? And then, gawin mong inspirasyon tong person na to, okay? Okay, so tingnan natin. So, unahin natin tong love oracle natin. Yung hidden truth oracle natin, okay? Meron kang tatlong card, pile number 1. First card. I wish I had treated you better. Oh, meron ako nakuha dito. Siguro kung nanligaw man to, pile number 1, hindi mo to pinapansin. Kasi nga siguro, iniisip mo na bata pa kasi tong person na to. Hindi ka naniniwala na seryosohin ka nito. Kasi nga, ano kaya kung sino man yung feminine dito is a trap in a parang mentality, I don't know. Maybe hindi mo to pinapansin, hindi mo alam mo yon, parang sinusungitan mo. Okay, may nakita akong ganon. Pero kasi this is your soulmate, okay? Soulmate mo to Okay, so tingnan pa natin. My life is not has together. O, di ba? This is, kung sino man dito, yung naghahanap ng stability pa at ayaw pang magpaligaw, okay? Or, basta, yun ang nakikita ko. Tingnan mo, my life is not as together as it seems. Kasi nga, feeling mo, you are not stable pa, okay? To entertain this person. Ano ka ba, nakafocus ka pa sa sa stability, okay? You are looking for stability and security, okay? You are still growing, okay? Kaya tingnan mo, my life is not as together as it seems. Kasi nga, hindi pa, tingin mo, you're not stable pa to commit, okay? Kasi siguro meron ako narinig sa inyo dito na may mindset dito na, naku, papaligaw ako. Tapos yan ba, magiging kami. Tapos mamaya, pag nabuntis ako, file number 1. O, diba? Pag nabuntis ako, hindi pa ako stable. Tapos hindi pa siya stable. Parehas pa kaming bata. Ay, nako. My goodness. Wala namang masama na mag-entertain file number 1, okay? Ng love connections. Basta, you have the discipline. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. I want to feel that way again. Yung iba sa inyo dito, pakipot. Yung feminine dito na iba. Okay? Siguro, this person, parang sinusungit-sungitan mo, kaya kasi this person, this Knight of Cups is a romantic person, okay? Magaling magsalita, magaling manuyo, magaling magpakilig, okay? So, maybe, you have some kind of, yun nga meron kang mindset kung sino man yung feminine dito okay? Vice versa, meron kang mindset na siguro, trap ka dun sa mindset na yun, takot ka na mag-risk, okay? Pero gusto mo maramdaman na mahalin ka, okay? Na maging masaya ka, okay? Pero paano kung mangyayari yun kung hindi mo naman ine-entertain or hindi mo naman, alam mo, yung binibigyan ng chance? Ayaw mo mag-take risk? File number 1. Naku ha. Anyway, decision nyo naman yan. So, nasa sa inyo yan. Kung ano ba talaga gusto ninyong gawin. Okay, so, tingnan natin yung tatlong card. Okay. This is a love confession card, okay. So, tingnan natin kung ano ba to. I am leaving. Ay, nako. Pile number 1. May nararamdaman ako na this person, na gustong mag-offer sa'yo ng love. Siya ang nagsasabi nito. Kasi siguro nga, nire-reject mo to. Meron ako nakikita, siguro nire-reject mo to. Naku ha. Meron ako naramdaman na nire-reject mo to. Sabi niya, I am leaving. Kasi nga, siguro, inisip niya, ayaw mo naman sa kanya. Okay. Oh my. I am leaving. Pero tingnan mo, you want to feel that way again. Gusto mong suyuin ka ulit. Siguro niyaya ka nitong mag-date tapos ni-reject mo. Kasi nga natatakot ka. Kung ano man yung naiisip mo. Iniisip mo, sasaktan ka lang nito. Siguro this person is a good-looking person, okay? File number 1. Tingnan pa natin. Second card. Oh, I want to be your husband. This person, gusto niya maging husband mo. Kaya siguro niyayaya ka nitong mag-date kasi nga, alam mo yon, para magkaroon kayo ng connections, para manligaw siya to offer his love sa'yo. Pero siguro ayaw mo. I don't know. File number 1. Kasi siguro iniisip mo, ayaw mo pa siyang tanggapin kasi nga, tingin mo, you're not stable enough. Marami ka pang gustong gawin. And tingin mo, this person is pag-aasawa agad ang gusto. Pero meron ako nararamdaman dito na you are wishing to, dapat tinrate mo siya ng mabuti. O ngayon, siguro, this person is leaving. Napagod na. Maybe. Gusto niyang maging asawa mo eh. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Last card. Oh, I'm scared. Pile number 1, this is you. You are scared. Of what? Pile number 1. You are scared of what? To love again? To let someone na pumasok sa life mo or sa heart mo? Siguro, nasaktan ka before sa love life or sa pile number 1. I don't know. Pero, meron ako nakikita dito, malakas sa akin. Take what resonate, guys. The feminine is the one who is scared to love or to take this person in her life. Kasi nga, tingin mo, hindi ka pa stable. Tingin mo, hindi mo pa siya kayang i-handle yung love na yon. Kasi nga, you are busy siguro sa career. Okay? To build your career, to have a stable life. And tingin mo, hindi mo mapagsasabay. You have a, self-imposed thoughts, okay? Self-imposed, guys, okay? Pag sinabing self-imposed, okay, so meron ako nakita dito, maybe you are, meron kang, mindset na mahirap ma-reach, okay? Be real, okay? Be real, pile number 1. Maging makatotohanan ka lang. Okay. Kasi this is your soulmate. Kung sino man tong person na to, na nagko-confess ng love sa'yo. Okay? Ano to eh? Nililigawan ka nito eh. Niligawan ka nito, nagpapakita ng love sa'yo, nag-show ng love sa'yo, pero, tingnan mo he wants to be your husband. Pero tingnan mo, ngayon, siguro napagod na siya. Kasi nga, scared ka. Siguro nakailang ulit na siya siguro ng try sa'yo, pero, ayaw mo, pero pakipot ka. Gusto mo rin naman siguro siya. I don't know, pile number 1. Take what's resonate, okay? So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading pile number 1. Okay, this is your love confession. This person confessed that he wants to be your husband. Okay. Gustong-gusto ka nitong makadate. Okay, this is your soulmate. This is your soulmate, guys. Mahirap may regrets, pile number 1. Okay. So, thank you, pile number 1, for watching. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo. Okay, so subscribe ka na, like, and leave a comment, okay, kung nag-resonate sa'yo to. So, ano yung mga sign na nakuha natin? A fire sign, a water sign, and an air sign. Okay, so, again, pile number 1, maraming salamat. Go na ako kay pile number 2. Bye! Hi, pile number 2. So, this is your love confessions. Okay, so it could be a new love, a suitor, okay, a new person, a past person, your ex-lover, your ex-husband. It could be kung sino pa man, na feminine or a masculine. Okay, so tingnan natin kung sino to, person na to, and ano yung love messages niya sa'yo. Pile number 2. Okay, so start na tayo. So, start tayo sa tarot card mo. First card. 4 of Cups. Again, a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay. We have someone in contemplating. Okay. Having a reevaluation. Meron akong nakita dito na merong nagre-reminisce. Okay, some of you, pile number 2, you are reminiscing someone, or this could be this person. Is reminiscing about you. Okay. Meron ditong malungkot or sad. Okay, you could be Scorpio. Okay. Cancer, Pisces. Merong nag-o-offer ng love or gustong mag-offer ng love. Meron din ako ditong nakikita na merong someone na nag-iisip na nag-reminisce, it could be an ex, about you, pile number 2. Or it could be you, pile number 2, na nire-reminisce this person na about sa past, how this person is a missed opportunity, okay, or you are having a discontentment kung nasa saan ka man ngayon, pile number 2. So, take what's resonate. Okay. Second card, Death. I told you, it could be a Scorpio. Okay. Meron akong nakita dito na nag-end na connection or relationship, okay. Meron ako nakita dito na this someone who is reminiscing, okay, or thinking of a someone who is a missed opportunity is hindi maka-move on. Okay, it could be a past person or an ex. Okay, hindi niya ma-letting go, hindi niya ma-release itong person na to. Okay, so sino kaya to, pile number 2? Okay. May ending ako nakikita kasi dito between a connection, okay? So, pwedeng nag-break na kayo nitong person na to, nagkahiwalay, okay? Kung ano mang reason yon, meron akong nakita na nag-iisip sa someone, okay? Na namimiss niya, ganon. Kung nasan man ngayon yung person na to na nag-iisip and nagre-reminisce, hindi siya kontento ngayon sa buhay niya. Okay, or sa love life niya. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Pile number 2. Third card, King of Cups. Oh my. Water sign. Okay. It could be an older person, an older masculine. Okay. Maybe the feminine is thinking on this King of Cups. Okay. She is reminiscing about this person. Why? Kasi this person is a balanced person. Okay. This is a empath. Okay, so mapagmahal tong person na to, matured emotionally, okay? A loving person, a very, very emotional person, okay? A devoted person also, okay? This is a matured and old soul, okay? So it could be the feminine one, okay, is reminiscing on this person. Namimiss niya yung love na ipinakita nitong guy, okay? This King of Cups. Namimiss niya yung, siguro, kung sino man yung feminine dito, it could, pwedeng nasa another relationship na. Pwedeng nasa new relationship ka na, pile number 2. And, you are reminiscing on this King of Cups, okay? Pwedeng this past person. Kasi, pwedeng yung babayang nakakita dito, dun sa King of Cups, na miss opportunity si King of Cups, kasi this is a matured person. Itong King of Cups na to. This water sign, okay? Meron ako nakita dito yung babayang hindi makamove on. Hindi siya makapag-start ng new. Yung iba sa inyo hindi makapag-start ng new kasi nga ito yung gusto mong person, this King of Cups, or vice versa, ha? Okay, next card. Children, young, childhood, playful. Oh, okay. So, meron akong nakita dito na it could be your husband, okay? And meron ka dito history. So, meron kayong anak. This is the father of your child, okay? Meron ako nakikita dito na kung sino man yung feminine dito, or the one who is thinking, masaya siya dun sa person na yon, yung nire-reminisce niya na person na yon, happy siya dun sa person na yon. Okay. Meron ako nakita dito, the masculine is older in than feminine, okay? Meron ako nakita dito, yung masculine, si King of Cups, is much older sa feminine natin, okay? Maybe siguro yun yung dahilan kaya kayo nag-separate ways. Kasi iba yung hindi kayo magtagpo ng ng goal, okay, sa life. Okay, maybe this masculine can't handle, okay, I'm so sorry, can't handle the feminine who is a some kind of playful or childlike pa, or sabihin natin childish in short. Some, hindi naman lahat. Pile number 2. Meron ako nakita dito na siguro nakarelasyon mo to when yun nga, young ka pa. Okay, you are not serious pa sa relationship, pal number 2. And dito mo sa person naranasan lahat ng magagandang bagay, or it can be a true love, okay, on this King of Cups. Pero kasi nakita ko may ending na kasi dito. Okay, may nakita kasi akong ending na dito, and it could be your, kung sino man dito yung feminine who is a childish, okay? Yun yung reason kung bakit kayo naghiwalay, kasi nga hindi kayo magkatagpo. Maybe this person is busy on his career, okay? Kasi this is a king. Maraming responsibility to, okay? And maybe you are asking too much, the feminine one, on this person, okay? And hindi kayo magkatagpo, hindi kayo magkasundo, kayo nag-separate. Okay, meron akong nakitang ganun. And kung sino man ang feminine dito, you see this person as a missed opportunity. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Access granted. Social media, fake profile hiding. Okay, so take what resonate, guys. Maybe the one who is childish on this relationship is creating a fake profile to view this King of Cups. Okay. Guys, meron ako nakikita, a King of Cups, a matured person, okay. Hindi to nambablock. May nakikita ko, hindi to nambablock eh. This is a matured person. It can handle a true relationship. Kung sino man yun ng block dito, I guess this is, yun yung childish, which is some feminine. Hindi ko nila lahat, guys. Ako kayo magagalit sa akin, okay? Trigger warning. Okay. So, siguro nakita mo na this guy is happy na, siguro may sa new relationship niya, okay? Siguro may bago ng karelasyon itong guy na to. Tapos, kung sino man yung hindi makamove on dito, and nakikitang this person is a missed opportunity, you are spying on this person, okay? You are looking on this person. Maybe yung profile nitong King of Cups is nakalock. Okay, so pwedeng nakalock to. Or kung sino man yung childish issue, ibinlock mo yung King of Cups, okay? Ibinlock mo sa social media yung King of Cups sa mismong original account mo. Pero dahil nga childish ka and ayaw mong magpatalo, kasi nga ayaw mong isipin itong King of Cups na hindi ka makamove on sa kanya, you use a fake profile, you hide your identity to a fake profile to watch this King of Cups. Okay. Guys, ulitin ko, childish lang kasi. Yung sama, yung iba. Ayun nga, yung parang ibablock yung person. Pero kasi, hindi naman to King of Cups in reverse eh. Hindi ko nakita na this person is a manipulative or ano. Siguro po pwede mong i-block yan to have your peace if this is a manipulative kind of a person or a masculine. Pero kasi hindi ko naman nakita na manipulative siya. This is a matured man. Okay? Matured guy. Okay? And nakikita ko na immature dito is mostly the feminine. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Hammer, sabotage, rebuilding, interrogation, repetitive, persistent, working on it. I told you, meron dito na childish pa, okay? Not totally matured pa, okay? So, siguro kaya kayo naghiwalay nitong person na to, you sabotage the connection, okay? You have a repetitive, toxic patterns. Yung the one who is childish, not the King of Cups, okay? Malakas ang nararamdaman ko, not the King of Cups. So, kung sino man yung childish dito, mag-isip, you need to work on that mindset, okay? On that attitude, okay? Yun ang nakikita ko kasi. Okay, next card. Both. Receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, closure, issues. Okay. Kung sino man dito yung person or yung childish na nakikita si King of Cups or this person na matured, na miss opportunity, hindi ka pa nakakuha ng closure, kaya nga hindi ka fulfilled sa life mo right now, okay? Meron ditong hindi nakakuha ng closure, okay? Or hindi maka-move on kasi nga, tingnan mo guys I told you, meron ditong hindi maka-move on, okay? Hindi maka-move on, hindi makakuha ng closure, okay? Unfulfilled. Kasi nga, pwede nga sinabotage mo yung connection nyo kasi nga you are being childish, okay? Pile number 2 kung ikaw man to. You are being childish, okay? Hindi ka maka-move on. And nararamdaman, nakukonsensya ka siguro, nararamdaman mo na mali yung ginawa mo. And ngayon, nagre-reminisce ka na ngayon kasi nga, nakita mo tong guy na to na miss opportunity. Sayang, kasi nga, siguro this is a husband material. Okay? A loving person. Oh. Maybe siguro meron ako nakikita dito na bratinelo, kaya isip bata pa in a relationship. Siguro ito yung person, itong King of Cups yung laging nagpapasensya. Okay? Kasi nga, kung sino man yung feminine dito, is he childlike, okay? Hindi pa seryoso. Oh. So, Oracle, the hidden Oracle, the hidden truth Oracle. So, tingnan natin, ha? May 3 cards ka pa, number 2. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. Kung sino man dito yung childish, okay, hindi maka-move on, nag-iisip dito kay King of Cups, at nakikita siya na miss opportunity. You are having a spiritual lesson right now, okay? Hindi ka maka-move on. Meron ditong hindi maka-move on. I'm telling you, I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. You are awakened, okay? Na this guy, this man is a missed opportunity. Yes. You are not contented. Okay? You are not happy. Kasi nga, this person, pinakita nito kung ano yung tunay na love. Okay? This is a very devoted person, okay? Emotionally matured. Okay? Alam nito kapag hindi okay ang pakiramdam mo, this is a very concerned, a very loving person. This King of Cups. Next card. We both know I am not the one for you. Oh my gosh. Maybe this King of Cups saying na we both know I am not the one for you. Siya yung nagsasabi nito doon sa hindi maka-move on. Okay. Kasi nga matured to guys matured na person tong King of Cups. Okay. At kung sino man yung childish dito sa relationship na to, I'm so sorry. Talagang minsan kasi kapag nangyari na and cannot be undone. Okay. This is a lesson, okay? A lesson na kailangan mong matutunan, okay? To work on yourself. Okay? At kung sino man tong person na to, yung King of Cups na to, ang pinadaan sa buhay mo, na naiisip mo na miss opportunity, ganun talaga Minsan kasi, kaya nga kailangan, we need to be compassionate, okay? Be a considerate person sa relationship. Kasi nga, minsan kasi, yung laging nagbibigay at umuunawa is napapagod din yun. Pile number 2, okay? Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, even though he or she is a matured person, napapagod din kasi yan if you are being paulit-ulit na childish. Okay? So, next, we need to let each other go. Aww. Again, si King of Cups ang nagsabi nito. The one who is matured. We need to let each other go. So, maybe, maybe kung sino yung immature dito and hindi maka-move on, still, okay. Yung iba lang yung iba, still, pushing herself dito sa person na to. Okay. So, ang sabi, ang confession, meron ako nakikita dito na ang nagko-confess dito some of you pa number 2 is the King of Cups. Yung siguro this King of Cups is in a new relationship na, okay. Confession to ni King of Cups. Itong dalawang card na to. Doon sa hindi maka-move on na feminine, okay? Take what's resonate, guys. Ang sabi niya, we need to let each other go. We both know I am not the one for you. Ouch. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin dito sa ating love confession card. Ginawa ko po ito, guys. So, meron kang 3 card. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung messages dito or confessions na maririnig mo dito. Okay, pile number 2. First card. Ooh, please be my girlfriend. Okay, so vice versa to, guys, If you are the King of Cups and the masculine one is yung hindi maka-move on, kasi diba sabi ko nga, guys, vice versa. So, kung sino man dito, girl or boy man, yung hindi maka-move on, nakikiusap na makipagbalikan. Okay? So, please, be my girlfriend or boyfriend. So, meron ditong gusto pa na makipagbalikan doon sa person kay King of Cups. Okay? Next card. Oh! Maybe this King of Cups is married now. Tingnan mo, guys, tingnan nyo, guys. Sabi ni King of Cups, yung confession niya, we both know I am not the one for you. We need to let each other go. Pero ang sabi nung hindi maka-move on, please be my girlfriend or boyfriend. Okay? Vice versa kasi yan, guys. Ngayon, tingnan mo yung card. I am married. Maybe, the King of Cups is married na. Okay? Kaya, not possible na magkabalikan or i-amend kung ano man yung connection na nag-end. I'm so sorry, guys. Trigger warning. Maybe this person is married na. Kaya it cannot be undone what it's done. Okay? Ganun talaga. This is a spiritual lesson. Be grateful for the spiritual lesson para kung sino man yung mamimit mo on the future, hindi mo na uulitin kung ano yung mga past mistakes mo. Okay? Okay, last card. Don't cry. Tingnan mo, uulitin ko ulit. Kung sino man yung hindi maka-move on dito, ang sabi ng King of Cups, okay, we both know I am not the one for you. We need to let each other go. Ngayon, ang sabi nung hindi maka-move on, please be my girlfriend/boyfriend. Ngayon, ang sabi ni King of Cups, I am married now. Okay, so married na raw siya. Teka lang, guys, off lang natin tong isang ano. Okay, off lang natin. So, sabi ng King of Cups is I am married now. So, married na siya, okay? Ngayon, tingnan mo yung card, don't cry. Ang sabi ni King of Cups, dito sa hindi maka-move on na person, huwag kang umiyak. Okay? Don't cry. Kung hindi ka man maka-move on sa kanya, maybe sa susunod na lifetime or susunod na pagkakataon, merong right person na ipapadala sa'yo. he is not the one for you, okay? He is just a spiritual lesson. Okay? Guys ha, lagi niyong tatandaan, tayo ang pumipili ng kapalaran natin, okay? So siguro lang naman, kung hindi immature yung person dito na nagre-reminisce about this person na miss opportunity, siguro naging sila. Okay, siguro lang siguro naging sila. Kasi this is a matured person, okay? King of Cup is a matured person, a husband material or a wife material if feminine. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Don't cry. Move on, okay? Learn from your mistakes. Meron ako nakikita na this reading, pile number 2, is the closure na kailangan mo para mag-move on ka. Okay? So, meron ako nakikita dito na ito yung closure na inaantay mo. Huwag ka daw umiyak. Ayaw nitong person na to. This is a very compassionate person. An empath, okay? This is a very matured person. Ayaw nito na umiiyak ka. Huwag mo siyang iyakan. Yun ang sabi niya. Don't cry. Okay? This is a good person. Guys, I'm telling you. This is a supportive. Maybe, siguro nga kung sabi mo sa kanya na maging friend kayo, okay lang sa kanya yon. Okay? Pero, not more than that. Okay. So, this is your confession, pile number 2. Huwag ka na raw umiyak. Ayaw nitong person na umiiyak ka. Okay. Embrace the lesson. Okay. Kung ano man yung natutunan mo dito, nung naging karelasyon mo to. Okay? And work on your issues or kung ano man yung kailangan mo pang i-work sa sarili mo. Okay? Pile number 2. So, this messages is a vice versa. So, take what's resonate, guys. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. Pile number 2. And kung hindi man, punta ka kay pile number 1. Baka may messages ka doon. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Please subscribe. Like this video and leave a comment. Show some love. Kung nag-resonate sa'yo, itong pick a card natin, pile number 2. So, abangan nyo pa. Marami pa tayong susunod na pick a card. So, maraming salamat. Pile number 2. Bye!